Okay, this time, maglagay tayo ng value ng x. So let's say your x is here. Let's take this as 1.5 meters. Okay, yan. 1.5. So x is equal to 1.5 from point A. Okay, so meaning nandun pa rin siya sa loob ng AB. You simply substitute your 1.5 here in all equations. So VL is still negative 8. VR is still 8. Take note na magkakancel silang dalawa. Ito naman, negative 8 times 1.5 is negative 8 times 1.5 is negative 12. Okay, next. Negative 15 times 3 minus 1.5 plus 16 times 4.5 minus 21 times 9.5 plus 12 times 13.5 would give you positive 12. Okay, so take note na nag-cancel out silang dalawa. So ibig sabihin, tama yung moment equation mo. Next, we now go to section CD. Okay, dito sa book, yan, kanyang equation. Sinold pa niya si DE, pero dito hanggang CD na lang tayo, okay? For CD, your range is from 6 up to 11. Yan. Range is from 6 to 11, meaning your x is greater than 6, but should not be greater than 11. Okay? So, naglagay ako doon. Ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya. 8.5, nandito lang yan sa gitna ng C and D. Okay. So, shear at left would be yan. So, nag-cut ako dito. Gagamitin ko to as your free body. So, negative 8 plus reaction 15 minus 16 would give you negative 9. And then, shear at right, yan naman ang gagamitin kong free body, would be minus 12 plus reaction RD na 21 would give you 9. Okay? So, take note na nag-cancel out silang dalawa. Oops. Ayan. So, shear at right, ito, 12, negative 12 plus 21 is 9. So, nag-cancel out sila. Next is moment. Sa moment left, yan. So, we take this as our free body. That would give you negative 8 times x. This time, ang x naman natin ngayon would be this distance. Dito tayo ngayon mag-cut between C and D, okay? Between C and D, doon tayo naglagay ng section natin. So, that is negative 8 times x dahil counterclockwise. Plus 15, yan yung reaction, times the lever arm na x minus 3, okay? Minus 16 dahil it will give you a counterclockwise. Its lever arm is simply x minus 6. This is your x minus 6, okay? Is equal to negative 9x plus 51. Ito yung equation mo ng moment at left from C to D only. Okay, so tanggalin po yan. And then moment right, this time, yan naman ang gagamitin nating free body. So 12 times, what is this distance? It is 15. Take note that from A to B is 15. So this simply means 15 minus x. Ayan yun. Okay? Minus 21, yung reaction. Its lever arm is 11 minus x. From A to B, A to D is 11 minus x. Yan yung lever arm niya. And its equation is negative 51 plus 9x. Yan yung equation ng moment due to right. Okay? Next, let us substitute maglagay tayo ngayon ng value ng x. Let's say, x is equal to 8.5. Nasa gitna lang ito. So, gamit tayo ng 8.5 na x. Ayan. Okay? So, you simply substitute dito. Negative 9 times 8.5 plus 51 would give you negative 25.5. Pagdating mo dito, negative 51 plus 9 times 8.5 is 25.5. So you will notice na they will cancel out. Zero siya. Okay? So ibig sabihin, tama yung moment equations. Now let's compare this with the book. Dito lang tayo sa CD. Ang ginamit ni CD is negative 9x plus 51, which is the same as your moment left. Okay? For problem 3.4, the load on the beam shown varies from 0 at the left end to 3 kN per meter at the right end. Write the shear and moment equations and draw the shear and moment diagrams. Since this is a simply supported beam, obviously your moment at both ends is equal to 0. So let us compute first the reactions. Ngayon, ang goal mo dito is hahanapin mo yung location ng moment. Okay? Since this is a triangular loading, yung maximum moment mo wala sa gitna. Pero kung uniform loading yan, yung maximum moment mo, maximum deflection nasa gitna. Okay, so by summation moment at A, reaction B is 12. And then summation forces vertical, reaction at A would give you 6, which is this. Okay? Next. And then, gagawa tayo ngayon ng ratio and proportion. So, let's take this triangle. Let's say, this vertical line is W, tapos this distance is X. So by ratio and proportion, W all over X is the same as 3 all over 12. Okay? Which is, ito, W all over X is equal to 3 over X. From this ratio and proportion, your W now becomes 1/4 times X. At this point, your shear diagram would be 6 minus 1/2 WX. Paano nakuha yan? So, dito sa distance X, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng cutting line dito. Okay? So, summation forces vertical is equal to 0. Reaction at A is positive 6 kasi patas siya. Minus this triangular load. Now, that triangular load is simply the area of this triangle. So, that is 1/2 times W times X. But what is W? W is equal to 1/4 times X multiplied by X. Magiging ganyan ang equation mo. Likewise, ganon din ang moment. So, 6 times X minus 1/2 Wx, that is simply the area, multiplied by X over 3, or that is the lever arm na X all over 3. This is your equation, 6x minus x cubed over 24. Now, to determine the point where the moment is maximum, you equate the shear equation V to 0. Or you simply equate this to 0. And your x would be 6.928. Ngayon, isolve natin ito sa calculator. Okay? So 6 minus alpha x squared divided by 8 equal to 0, and then shift solve. So the answer is 6.93, which is this. Okay? Yan, 6.928. Next, to get the maximum moment, ito na ngayon yung 6.928. To get the maximum moment, you substitute 6.928 dito sa equation na yan. Okay? 6 times 6.928 minus this value would give you 27.71. Yan ngayon yung height ng maximum moment. Likewise, this is called inflection point. Ang ibig sabihin ng inflection point, that is the location of your zero shear and maximum moment.